5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit it. 120. Right 4 plus 30 then. Left 5 plus short into right 5 plus short. Small crest into right 6, then a left 5. Right 6, left 5. 50, then a left 6 plus 50 again. Then right 6 over small crest, then left 6, 50, right 4 long. Right 4 long. Into left 4 over crest, it's going to open and then tighten to 4. Left 4 opens, tightens to 4. Watch the tightens, 50. Left 6 over small crest, 50 again, then stay left over next crest, 100 to a left 4 plus. Left 4 plus. Then 30 to a right 6 plus, left 5 plus over small crest. So right 6, then left 5 plus over small crest, right 6 over small crest, 70. Then right 5 minus long, tightens 4 plus. Right 5 minus long, tightens 4 plus. Over crest long, 70. Tightens here. 70. Left 5 plus over small crest, tightens 4 plus. Watch for the tightens 4 plus. 30, small crest 20, then turn left 3. Turn left 3. Then a right 5. Yep, right 5. 30, left 3 again. Small crest 300. At the end of this, starting to open up here. Neat, right 5 plus over crest loose, 30. Right 5 loose, 50. Long small crest 70, turn right 4. Long small crest 70, turn right 4, 50. Turn right 4, 50. Small crest 30, left 3 loose, left 3 loose. Long, then 200, easy on this one. 200.
Oh yeah, good call.
Right 4 plus long, right 4 plus long. 100. Long small crest 150, then right 4 long. Right 4 long, then long small crest 50 to a left 5 minus over crest 30. Left 5 minus over crest 30, down right 4 plus. Down right 4 plus. 100. Crest 70, then left 4 into right 4 minus. Left 4 into right 4 minus. Then 100. Then left 4 over crest, very long, into left 5 minus. Left 4 over crest, very long, into left 5 minus. 50. Turn right 4 minus over small crest, right 4 minus. 100.
Sorry.
Small crest, good. Right 4 long, tightens. Right 4 long, tightens. 30, then a left 3 long. Watch the tightens and then a left 3 long. 50. Left 3 long, 50. Right 4 minus. Into left 5 minus. Then 300 over long crest. Into left 6 over crest, 50. Left 6 long, 30. Then right 4 minus, opens, tightens 5. So left 6 long here, 30. Right 4 minus, opens, tightens 5. 50. Here's your 5, 50. Then small crest into left 5 plus, 70. Right 6, 50. Small crest, 70. Small crest 30, left 4 minus. Left 4 minus, no cut long. No cut long. 70. Left 5 plus long 30, then right 4 over small crest long. 100. Right 4 plus 150. Right 4 plus 150. Then braking small crest 30, right 5 minus into left 3 plus long. Braking small crest, right 5 minus into left 3 plus long. It's going to be loose and then 70. Small crest 50, then left 4 plus 50. Small crest 30, then a right 4 minus late and long. Right 4 minus late and long. Left 6 into right 4 plus 50. So right 4 plus here, 50. then a left 5 plus long over small crest, 120. Then right 5 very long, 150. Right 5 very long, 150. Small crest 50, then right 5 plus long, 70. After the 70 is a left 5 over small crest, 150. After the 150, long crest 70, small crest into left 5 a minus long, left 5 a minus long. Here you are, 50, then right 4 plus, very long. Right 4 plus, very long, 50. Left 5 plus, 50. Small crest 50, left 4 minus, very long. Left 4 minus, very long, 150. Crest 70. Crest 70, then right 4 long and loose over crest. Right 4 long and loose over crest, 120. After the 120, stay left over the next crest, 150. After the 150 is a right 6, 70. Small crest into left 4 tightens. Small crest, then left 4 tightens over crest, 30. Then, watch the tightens. Right 4 loose. It's going to open and tighten to 5 plus. Right 4 loose, open and tighten to 5 plus. After finish is a braking left 4 long. Braking left 4 long. Nice job, bud. Woo!
Good job. I think we were past her.
Yep.